Hello and welcome back again. So today I'm back with another video. So today I'm here in Phnom Penh. So I'll visit a most popular super shop in Phnom Penh, that is Lucky Express. Another name is Lucky Mart, you can call. So today I'm going to see what we can find inside this super shop. So it's near to my house, so let's go and see. First you will see the automatic slided door, and there are some trolley, but I didn't take. I just go buying some rice and other thing. So you can see some fresh fruit and veggies this side, and this side only milk related product, yogurt, milk, tea, coffee, like this. Here you can see egg, 12 egg, like $2. It's good. And this side some promotion going on. So let's find some rice first, because I need the rice. So this side is oil. You can see different type of oil: sunflower oil, soya bean oil, and other type of oil. Here you can see rice. I always choose this anchor rice. I don't know, but this one I feel like it's good than jasmine. So comment down what kind of rice you eat. So here you can see the rice. This is oil. They are restocking. And this side you will see different type of sauce: fish sauce, soy sauce. So I'll take on fish sauce here. This one 9,000 real. And let's visit another side. This is a huge shop. You just need to explore everything. So chips, different type of. This side household product, like a knife, spoon, like this, and some one time use cup and plate also here. So I'll take some spoon. Okay, let's see what I can find for my room. Almost every product are like a $2, $3, just normal for normal use, and other product have. So this side is cat food. If you have cat, you can buy food from supermarket also. Also you can find other shop like for cat food, but in supermarket also available. So you can check out. This side mosquito rack. What is this? Pressure cooker, I don't know the name. So other cleaning product this side you can see. So this is like tissue box. So comment down if you visit a Lucky shop or another super shop. What do you think, which super shop is the best in Cambodia, especially in Phnom Penh? So mostly this one near my house, so I mostly visit this one. I also buy from normal market. So hand wash, $3, $3.50. You can see here shampoo and other product. This supermarket have mostly everything you will need for your home or personal use. You will find here. So if you are coming, or if you are tourist, must visit this place. But if you need like instant food eating, that for that I suggest 7-Eleven, because in 7-Eleven you will find lots of eatable product, especially instant eatable product. So if you are tourist, you can visit 7-Eleven or Lucky Super Shop also, but here instant eatable product not that much available, but some have. So also the price is less, I think. Here you can see different type of shower gel and other product. Here face mask and I don't know what is this called. So this one 25,000, maybe this one facial cream. Head and shoulder shampoo, this one 18,000. Clear shampoo, this one 13,400. So let's visit another sector. Here you can see washing powder and washing gel, different type and different brand. So in this super shop everything is available, that I can say. So you can also experience this if you are in Cambodia. Mainly tourists don't visit this kind of place. Only expert living and local Cambodian people are shopping from this super shop. So let's go and see some drink and other thing. So this section is maybe baby product. Yes, here you can see Coca-Cola and other drinks. This one Pepsi, Sting. There are two color of Sting, but I like the yellow one. This one good. If you are in Cambodia, try the yellow color Sting. That one I recommend. So yeah, this side you will see some spirit and wine. Those are expensive, I think. So which wine you like in Cambodia? Let me know in comment section. So you can see lots of wine and a lot of Coca-Cola. Here you can see some chips and ice cream. In Cambodia not many different type of ice cream, but it's okay. Most of the ice cream are cone ice cream are $2, $3 like this. Here you can see I try only cone because it's easy. So I almost done my shopping, so I'll see you in another video. This video